the goal with this activity is to really work on your lower body power. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna set up a box in front of you. You wanna set up with like a bent over superhero split squat. So what I'm gonna do for that is I'm gonna push my hips back with my knees soft, and then I'm going to shift my weight forward, just like so. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a knee, and then I want you to explode up off of the front leg, and then you're gonna land in a hop position on the opposing leg. When you land the hop, you want soft landing, foot flat, you want a slight knee bend, weight through the whole foot. So I'm gonna drop down into the split squat, land on the opposite leg. It's gonna look like this. So soft knees, push the hips back, get the weight transfer down, stick the landing. From the front, it's gonna look like so. So I'm here, making sure the legs stay centered, push the hips back, get that forward shift. Most of my weight's on the front leg. Dip down, push, stick with the opposite leg. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.